Mavic is back from school. We're back home. Back to school, first day. And we're grateful. Why? Tomorrow you're not going to school? You have to go to school, man. Schools are reopening. Just for 3 weeks, man.
No. 3 weeks?
So 3 weeks and they're here for the holidays. But I would say I'm grateful, man. These couple of weeks have been tough. They've been tough, up and down, making decisions, thinking, writing, texting, calling, chatting. And I can't wait. I can't wait for a month that I will sit down and rest. The last 2 years I've been on toes. And then I have nothing to show for it. Absolutely nothing. So I have to start over again, fight again, wake up again, call again, text again, write again, and try again, and push and push. And I'm not doing it just for content. I'm doing it because every time I've been running away from this, go hide in the village, God still sends someone, comes fetch me from the village back to what I'm supposed to do. I try to hide again, I make a video, go back to what you're supposed to do. And I can't wait to do my videos with snails, with frogs, with tortoises, with snakes, with water, with bees, with plants and trees, and humans and children and women, in the hospital and prison. I can't wait. I can't wait to go to Krugla National Park, Masai Mara National Park, Amboseli. I can't wait to be in Uganda. I can't wait to be in Egypt. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't wait. I can't wait to see the ocean again. I can't wait to be on top of the mountain. I can't wait to be in the slums, and I can't wait to share my music. I can't wait to share my album. And I can't wait to share stories with you guys. Things have been super hard and super difficult. But you can't sit there and cry. You can't sit there and complain always. God has been faithful. God has shown his hand. God has been kind. We breathe, we brush, we drink, we sleep, we play, we tell stories, and we share, and we read, and we watch, and we walk again, and we stand again, until we get to a place where we can breathe in and out again, and put our head down and get some sleep. And that those days will come. But for now, please like, please share, please comment, please be patient, please pray with us, please hang in there, and let's fight. Not just for Madaraka, but for this family, for Maverick, for Lynn, for a new chapter, for our new thoughts, for our new beginnings, for our new fights, because it's not gonna be easy. But the same God who gives you a job is the same God who knows when the job will end and takes it away. The same God who gives you money is the same God who knows when the money is not gonna be around. The same God who gives people ideas is the same God who takes the ideas away. The same God who gives us opportunities is the same God who cuts those opportunities away. So what do? We go down on our knees and thank you again. And be grateful. And show up. And appreciate the little wins. The cup is not always full. But when the cup is half, you can also focus on the little things that you have. It's not always empty. It's not always losing. It's not always failure. Yes, the world is not there. Yes, the jobs are not there. Yes, what you want is not there. Yes, Mary. Yes, money is not there. Yes, the car is not there. But you have hands. You have legs, don't you? You have a mother. You have a father, don't you? You have children, don't you? You have grandparents, don't you? You have an opportunity. Because the eyes are still there. People are still there. The world is still there. You have another chance. And the chances are many. A million chances. You lose one friend. Friends are like stars. I was taught that in 2004. 2005 per neighbor. You lose one friend, God will give you another friend. So this is my first time to meet people who they hate failure, but they all want to succeed. It's the first time to meet people who chase wins, but when losses show up, they start to curse. I'm in a community where parents take children to school for good grades, but when kids come back home with bad grades, those kids are not theirs. It is a curse. It is failure. God has this family. It is so unfortunate that if I get a good grade, I get a praise. If I lose, I am not your child. I am not your neighbor. I am not your husband. I am not your wife. Well, what kind of people are we? We are hypocrites. That a child stops being your child because they have no money. A man stops being your husband because there is no money. But money is there. How is he your husband? A society full of narcissists. A society full of selfish human beings. A society full of people who don't even think about children. They only think about their stomachs and what they do and their ego and how successful they are. Whether children are succeeding, nobody. I have met at least one person and he's 60-year-old. It is 65 years old. They're 75 years old. Those are the people I've met. And they've called me as well. And I've realized there's no point fighting with a generation that doesn't care about anyone else but themselves. I continue with my journey. With or without, I wake up and pray to God. God will open doors. The city is picking up. It's cold in Nairobi. The weather is chilly. It's been raining the other day. Then went to school. I can't be grateful enough. We did homework. We talked about books. We talked about school, sleeping time, playing time, what they do. So much goes on in school that modern parents have no idea what goes on in school. What are the spiritual contracts between parents and school and teachers and the government and the one who supplies the school with the software, mathematics, English, physics? Nobody cares about. If you want to know, people care about children. Go to school. Go to school. I'm from Maverick's classroom. There's no one who doesn't know. Maverick is very famous in his classroom because of me. Not I'm bragging, but I go there and talk to everyone in the classroom. Hope one day they'll allow me to record a video too with Maverick in the classroom. And you see how happy those kids are. That these kids value teachers more. They think even teachers care. Children, there's no way you can convince children God is far away from a teacher. Televisions are raising our kids. Refrigerator, phones, smartphones, laptops, tablets, cars. That the faster we black people are going to get some software and some videos and some content and put for our children on television, the faster we're going to reclaim our own and our own land. And I'm not saying we're not doing that. I'm just saying people were woke long time ago. Madaraka is always late. It's like I'm waking up today. It's I'm waking up just the other day. It's I'm just waking up the other month. People have already done it. Madaraka is starting. I'm always late. But I always will show up. Despite the failures, despite the losses. While people focus on the loss, I go to the loss and turn it into a win. While people focus on failure, I learn from the failure and I keep going. And that's what I do on this page. Madaraka Idiongo. Madaraka Idiongo. Sharing a word of hope. That is enough for our children. A word of faith is enough to guide them when we are gone. People even forget we're gonna die. What about these children? Our stomach's gonna go. What about these children? And that's a genuine concern. And as long as God has given us an opportunity to do something, we have to put our hands together and do it and fight and create something. And for me, I've come to terms that this is my opportunity. Let me learn how to create content again. Let me learn how to share stories again. And one step at a time. It's not even a month. And we have as many wins as possible. We are almost hitting 3,000 subscribers. And thank you to you guys. Thanks for giving Maverick a hand. Thanks for giving Lena a hand. Thanks for giving my aunt a hand. Thanks for giving my mom a hand. Thanks for being there. Because I have no idea how next month is going to turn out. But all I can say, I have learned and I know. As much as I'm looking to win, I'm also going to share my failures. I'm not a perfect human being. And I'm not an island. I depend on others. And I've depended on others. Someone took me to school. And I'm grateful for that. I'm not going to wake up and show up here and say, I am better. Or I am good. Or I am perfect. No. Someone went sleepless nights for me to be here. Someone has been disrespected. Someone has been paid peanuts for me to have a glass of juice in school and study at night. So you guys know where my fighting comes from. The things I share, I've learned from my aunt, I've learned from my mom, I've learned from Maverick, and I've learned from Lynn. The rest of it is nature. The rest of it is a cat, is a dog, is a snake, is a cow, is a sheep, is a tree. And there's no way you will have to force your thoughts on others. So, being a parent, and to all parents outside there, may God be gracious with you guys. May God give you the strength to raise those children. May God bless you so much. It's not easy to have a child, and the child goes to school and comes back home, and you wash and you clean and you listen and you play with them and you sleep. That's what I said in one of my videos yesterday and the other week. We've come to a point where we have to be realistic. A person who gives birth to a child should never wake up again and go look for milk. Should never wake up again and go look for money to pay bills. A person who has a child, we have to come up with a system that supports these people. I have been a single dad for is going to 5 years or there so. There is nothing as hard as hanging out with children. People will call you names, but you will just give them 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and one day they will become parents. And you wait for them to talk. Because we have never been parents like our parents were parents with the system that they had. But the little they had, they did more. We have everything. We have phones, technology, cars. We have an aeroplane. You can fly to New York from Kenya. We have money. We have banks. We have apps. We have laptops. We have so many clothes. But our obsession is still clothes, money, cars, books. Yet our children are there. Yet our people are there. Grandparents are there. Our uncles are there. Our aunties are there. But people want to win by force. People want to win by force. As long as a woman wins, as long as a man wins, no one cares about what will happen to the kids. I tell you, if you focus on children, making money is not easy. Children don't care about money. Children care about one thing and one thing only: play. You want to hang out with children, you must learn the language of children. And this is not an excuse. You go chase money, you should know. You will have to look for a way to come back to children, even if they are their own children. It takes a lot of hard work, sacrifice, endurance, perseverance to be a mother, to be a father. The label of rich and poor does not define a father. The label of educated and uneducated does not define a father. The calling to become a father or a mother is divine. Whether you have a degree or not, whether you have money or not, whether you have a house or not, whether you have a job or not, to become a father, it comes all from God, from above. To be a successful parent, it is the work of the Lord. And that's my views. That's what I've got to say. And I have a lot of things to say. And a lot of stories to share. And we have time. One day at a time. And thanks always for hanging around. And thanks always for dropping by. Thanks for your likes, your shares, your comments, and your subscription.
Kwani ugali ulikuwa watu wangapi? Nauliza, kwani ugali ulikuwa watu wangapi? Madaraka. Mbona hatukualikwa? Nauliza, mbona hatukujulishwa? Sababu gani hamkutuita? Tulingoja sana, hatungeweza fika. Mbio mbio bana, kwani iko shida? Tulikuwa siasa, tukasikia hoya hoya. Hoya, 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 hoya. Sasa pengine tulale hadi kesho. Sasa pengine tulale mpaka che. Sasa pengine tulale hadi kesho. Sasa pengine tulale mpaka che. Hakuna mwenye alikataa ugali, hakuna mwenye alikataa mboga, hakuna mwenye alikataa chai. Tuonyeshe hata mmoja. Hakuna mwenye alikataa ugali, hakuna mwenye alikataa mboga, hakuna mwenye alikataa chai. Tuonyeshe hata mmoja. Hoya, 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 hoya. Hii ugali unga haijashikana, nayo mboga ni kama ya jana, na pia chai haikuiva sawa. Asha jiko, weka maji tena. Mbio mbio bana, kwani iko shida? Tulikuwa siasa, tukasikia hoya 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 hoya. Hakuna mwenye alikataa ugali, hakuna mwenye alikataa mboga, hakuna mwenye alikataa chai. Tuonyeshe hata mmoja. Hakuna mwenye alikataa ugali, hakuna mwenye alikataa mboga, hakuna mwenye alikataa chai. Tuonyeshe hata mmoja. Hoya, 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 hoya. Hakuna mwenye alikataa ugali, hakuna mwenye alikataa mboga, hakuna mwenye alikataa mwahazi nguza miga jibiri budiko buduchi ndako mbanigwo Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe wetwinu mama deki kuma poni wetwinu mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe hai badeka kwichai hai babinaga kwobosera hai badeka kubuchima hai badeka kivyabati Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe wetwinu mama deki kuma boni wetwinu mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe hai badeka kumyogo hai badeka kumkende hai pasamba kumaduma hai badeka kuengoko Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe wetwinu mama deki kuma boni wetwinu mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe rekubwoni kwenye mchere mba rekubwoni kwenye mkafu mba rekubwoni kwenye mchere mba rekubwoni kwenye mkafu mba Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe winywira kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe linura kandi mudeki kuma sebebe Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe wetwinu mama deki kuma boni wetwinu mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Roma mama sambi kuma duma Rinda ngotebe Rinda ngotebe wene kwamba buoke na ibe no mdomo gata dako bukeno inzuka zema ku bukeno mba wiruka mkibanda nunagura mkiguru mikono kumutwi zinzuki zibita nukubizikwiri yeah nukubizikwiri yeah ibu mwene odori rigina muri tuwagati nurasize inzuki okomba ubuki makandurarira makandurarira zinzuki zibuka kare zironde marashi zimbiru bagata bakikira madari mbasuniza inyimbo z'imiguru zazezi 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 bozuri mandasi zinzukize nakubukinumba vyayengo wibake maguta ufana wizimoni zibakuri bozuri mandasi zinzukize nakubukinumba vyayengo wibake maguta ufana wizimoni zibakuri ukimagura gikare mutere n'imito miruru rinda icyayi mare pero abana binare madari ukimagura gikare mutere n'imito miruru rinda icyayi mare pero abana binare madari zinzuki zibuka kare zironde marashi zimbiru bagata bakikira madari mbasuniza inyimbo z'imiguru zazezi 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 ibumwene odoririgena muri tuwagati nurasize inzuki ukomba ubuki ibumwene odoririgena muri tuwagati nurasize inzuki ukomba ubuki makandurarira yeah makandurarira yeah makandurarira yeah zinzuki zibuka kare zironde marashi zimbiru bagata bakikira madari mbasuniza inyimbo z'imiguru zazezi zazezi zazezi